This is the 2025 Jayco Swift Model 20T. It's available in the graphite color that you see here. It also comes available in the silver. You can see the tail end of that model right there. The changes they've made on the inside this year is they've removed the table that was here, put this stand, and they've added a bracket for the lagoon table, which, as you can see, is the 3-foot table that mounts down there for storage, and it can be bracketed on the passenger side bed. The material in here for the backrest on the passenger side are the white leatherette, and the cabinetry inside has changed color to a white in the kitchen and on the face of the bed, and then overhead you have white with a soft tan or cream color. Dresses it up quite nicely. And they've changed the sliding screen door on this one to be a zippered door. It just unclips, zips across the top. And then you have a magnet here where the other half of the door joins, and so it's easy to get in and out. Outside of that, it's the same layout. As I mentioned, cabinetry is a little bit different in color. Granite colored countertop, leatherette backrests for the driver's side bed, and the flooring is a different color this year. This is a 2025 Jayco Swift 20T.